Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified whenever I post any video. So it's been long I posted video on this my channel because of some issues. And today I want us to start with how to use your Pixellab to achieve a mock-up. So without any further ado, I will take you straight to the video. I'll go and open my Pixellab, which is this. I've opened it, and this happens to be the design, which is the logo we'll be using for this tutorial. And that's it. The first thing you will do is to save this logo as a PNG, which is from here. Okay, save it from here. Save this from here, which save as image. Then from here you keep it as default. This place should be default and this place should be PNG. Then I will save this thing now as PNG. The dimension is ultra, and that's the best ways to save images. I've saved this image now, so the next thing you will do is to start this thing afresh like this, and from here now you bring in the t-shirt you want to use as the mock-up. And this is the t-shirt. I downloaded this t-shirt from Pinterest and it's cool. So this is it. So the next thing you do now is to bring in this logo we saved. We already saved this logo as a PNG and it does not have any background. So that's it. And look at this one. Look at Pixellab here, and we'll jump to this. Oh, we made a mistake. Let's review. Let's go back. We did not save the PNG very well, and we need to go to autosave. No autosave. And this is let's open from here, and this is cool. So this is how the logo was achieved actually. So this is it. Was created, and this tool, let me add the phone number and save it again. And the phone number is already on my clipboard, which is this. Then you reduce this to this and bring it to the center. Okay, you will reduce the size of this to this, and this is cool. So bring this to the center and bring this thing upwards, just like this, and this is cool. So we will now group all of them together, and that's cool. Bring it to the center of the page, which is this. So this is what we supposed to do before, which is this. We're supposed to do this thing before saving, and we got it now. Save as image. So everything is at PNG already. We'll save it. Okay, so from here now we can actually do what we want to do. Let's go back to what we did before, which is this, and this is perfect. Let's bring in that t-shirt. This is it. So right now we can bring in the logo, and we will do this thing, and the thing will look exactly as if it was achieved on Photoshop. But this is Pixellab, and here we go. You see the logo was saved with higher resolution, and that's why this thing is like this. So you keep it this way. Bring it to the center. Let's check the center of this and see. No, this thing cannot be here. can now move it up and okay, move it up, and this is cool. You see, this is very nice, and the thing looks as if it was achieved on Photoshop. So that's it. You can actually use your Pixellab to do this thing. You can use it for any other mockups depending on how good you are on this Pixellab. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much, and please remember to share this my video. It's been long I posted on this page, and I will start posting as usual. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much, and see you next time in my next video.